Did you know hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward? Or that pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror, just like humans? Here's a crazy one. The Arctic tern migrates over 70,000 kilometers a year, traveling from pole to pole. And get this, some parrots can live over 80 years, making them one of the longest living bird species. But the wildest, owls don't have eyeballs. They have tube-shaped eyes that help them see in the dark. Nature is full of surprises. Want more? Hit like and subscribe for more.